This is the iPhone 15, and this is how you put on the back. And I'm going to show you how. We got some pre-cut adhesive, and I recommend if you don't have pre-cut adhesive, just using stripped adhesive, liquid adhesive. You could use that. This adhesive that I had was actually for the screen, and I just used it for the back just to have something to put down. All right, so we're going to lay it down nice and flat and even with the phone. And before we get too far in the video, I want to introduce you to this video sponsor. I'll be real quick, I promise. Here we have Cell Helmet's Bar Audio, the Mini Mag, and it connects onto your MagSafe, and it's a speaker, and it is quite amazing. You can set it up in many ways. To the repair, so we'll lay down the adhesive, align it as perfectly as we can, so hopefully it all stays down when we pull off the final tab. So we'll pull off this other first layer of adhesive, and not all adhesive has this layer, and I'm having an issue with it sticking down. I recommend running a plastic spudger around the edges or using your fingertips and just push it down as best you can. All right, so we will now connect the back glass on right here, and then we'll grab out the bracket. And the bracket, I'm going to zoom in on it here. It is very hard to get on. So we'll get the bracket, and then we'll put it right on top, and just you'll want to apply a lot of pressure, more pressure than you feel like you need to slide it underneath the little bracket right here on the left in blue. After you get this pesky bracket back in, then you can grab the 1Y000 screw in yellow and screw that in. Now we can connect the battery, and we'll use our finger, and you can kind of feel it. You feel it connect. That's how I know it's connected on right. And I've been doing this for years, so I know how it feels. All right, grab your 2Y000 screws in yellow, and then screw those down. And then we will put on the back glass after we pull the adhesive tabs. An ongoing issue with these adhesive tabs. Sometimes the adhesive pulls out and then you can't get it back in, and then it's all stuck all over. We want to make sure it's not on the cameras. We're going to actually cut it and take it out and put liquid adhesive there just to have a replacement of some sort of adhesive in that spot. But it's definitely not liquid proof when you do it this way. I would recommend undoing everything and then putting down another layer of adhesive, maybe clean it up a little bit, your edges better. But I'm not teaching you how to make it waterproof here, folks. I want to make sure you guys know that and what you're getting into, but at least you know how to put it on. And that is just one way you can put on the back of the iPhone 15. And I don't have the vacuum sealing machine, so I don't have that in that video. You'll have to find that video somewhere else. And we'll lay down the phone's back here and put the P2 screws in, and consider the repair worth it. Even though Face ID is not working still on this phone after all the repairs that I've done, and I haven't even posted them all yet, and I'll post them soon.